Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable lock/unlock credit with Experian on smartphone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable lock or unlock credit with Experian on your smartphone, first, open the Experian app. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, go to your device's app store and search for Experian. Download and install the app to your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Experian account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, navigate to the Credit Lock section in the main menu. You'll see options to lock or unlock your credit. If you want to lock your credit, tap the Lock button. The app may prompt you to confirm your identity with security questions or a verification code. Once confirmed, your credit will be locked to prevent unauthorized access. To unlock your credit, return to the Credit Lock section. Tap the Unlock button when you're ready to allow access again. Again, you may need to verify your identity for security purposes. Once your identity is confirmed, your credit will be unlocked. Remember to check your credit status regularly for any unauthorized changes. Closing the app will save your settings automatically, ensuring your credit is secure. You have now successfully locked or unlocked your credit with Experian on your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.